In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add email in Telegram so that you can use it to recover your Telegram password if you forgot it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first stuff you need to open up Telegram app. Then just stop right here to go to Settings. On Settings, we are looking for Privacy and Security. First off, we need to enter Privacy and Security, and after that, guys, somewhere here at the very top, you will find two-step verification. As you can see, it is currently enabled. So I can just stop right here. And it already asks me to enter two-step verification password here. However, if you don't have this option enabled, just activate it first and after that. Now I'm just gonna enter my password. I just did it. And now I need to hit Add Next to continue. And that's where we can easily change our password. We can disable the password. And also here we can set a recovery email. I'm gonna tap right here. Now down below it says that the email is the only way to recover a forgotten password. That's where we need to enter it. I'm just gonna enter my email here. Now I'm gonna hit Next. After that, the confirmation code has been sent to that email, to the email that I specified here. Now we need to go to Gmail app. And now here we are waiting for confirmation code. I can see it right here at Updates. Here it is, your code 977371. I just need to enter it here, 371. And basically, I've just set my email as a recovery email. In Telegram app now, if I forgot my password, I'll be able to recover it using my recovery email. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button